Voice-over work for a textbook audio summary company. Basically, the company summarizes giant textbooks and medical books, sends me a 10-page text summary, and I record it as an audiobook. One summary a day takes about an hour to read and mark up the copy, and another hour to record and edit. So, about 2 to 3 hours of work a day, $250 flat rate per completed summary. That works out to over $1K in an average week for 10 hours of work. Steady voice-over work is very lucrative and can be done at home. I didn't make $10K, but I made a decent monthly income. $3,500 for a time from home doing historical research, reviewing scanned microfilm, transcribing old handwritten documents, summarizing them in reports, etc. Mostly for litigation. Though I worked for a consulting group rather than a law firm, it was boring, and I found working from home really wasn't for me. Since a few people are asking for companies that do this kind of thing, I have some. But they are all examples from the niche I was in, Aboriginal law. If you're curious, check out Joan Holmes and Associates, the History Group, Union of BC Indian Chiefs, or other larger political